dark spots. I had a lot of dark spots on my face. They are irritating me. I feel shy going out. I tried expensive creams, trending serums, and even products people swore will work, but the spots stayed. Like I spent money, but the spots did not go away. But one day, something surprising happened in my kitchen, and that's when I discovered 3 simple kitchen ingredients that actually helped fade my dark spots. Today, I'm sharing them with you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin tone, you are not alone. I was once there and I can lead you out. So many people spend thousands on skincare products, but sometimes the solution is sitting right in your kitchen. Yes, most of the times you go to the store, we spend a lot of money buying this person will recommend this product, will buy it, but it's still not working. All the pimples are going and coming and you're just spending a lot of money. You don't need to spend too much money. There are 3 ingredients in your kitchen that you will need to clear all the dark spots on your face. But here is the important part. It's not just the ingredients that matter, it's how you use them. So if you just pick any ingredient or the ingredient I'm about to mention and just decide to rub it on your face, it's not the ingredient, but rather how you use them and the consistency that matters. And today I will show you 3 kitchen ingredients that help fade dark spot faster when used the right way. So stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe. Share it with somebody that you know is struggling with dark spots. Share this video, like and subscribe. So let's start with the ingredients. Number 1 ingredient is honey. If you don't have honey in your kitchen, you can buy it. It's very important for the home, not only for skincare, for your home. Let me start with the first ingredient, honey, but not just because it's natural. Honey is packed with antioxidants and natural enzymes that help repair damaged skin and brighten dark spots over time. One evening, after another frustrating day looking at my skin, I decided to try something simple. I applied raw honey directly on my dark spots and left it for 20 minutes. Within a few weeks, my skin started looking softer, smoother, and those stubborn spots started fading slowly. Yes, it happened to me. I was having a lot of dark spots, and that was as a result of chickenpox. So I had chickenpox, it affected my face. I had a lot of scars from it, and I don't know what to do, so I decided, okay, let me try using honey. And I used honey and it cleared everything evenly, perfectly, without leaving any scar. Now, how to use it. Remember I said how to use it matters. First of all, you wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Use a gentle cleanser to wash your face. After washing your face, apply raw honey directly on the dark spots. Yes, then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After which you rinse with lukewarm water. You use this 3 to 4 times a week is okay. So if you are consistent with this routine, it will clear your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, it will even out your skin tone. So honey is a very good ingredient that is in your kitchen that you think is just for making tea or other things at home. It can also be used for skincare in clearing dark spots and all other hyperpigmentation on your skin. Even scars, if you have scars from wounds, use honey. It will clear those scars and your skin will come back to normal. Ingredient number 2, turmeric. The second ingredient might already be in your kitchen, turmeric, but if you don't have, you can still go and buy it. It's not expensive, it's cheap. But many people actually use turmeric the wrong way, which is why they don't see results. Yes, a lot of people are using turmeric on their skin for skincare to fade dark spots, but it's not working because they are not using it the right way they should use it. So today I'm going to show you the right way to use turmeric to fade and clear all your dark spots. Turmeric contains curcumin, which helps reduce pigmentation and brighten the skin. But it is very strong, so here is the correct way to use it. Instead of putting turmeric directly on your face, you can mix 1 teaspoon turmeric with 1 teaspoon honey, and you can also add a drop of water or milk. Apply the mixture on the dark spot and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes only. Don't let it stay for long, if not the stain will remain on your face. Then wash your face. Use this 2 times a week, so you don't need to be doing it every day. Only 2 times a week is okay. So if you are using it anyhow every day, you will not even see the result. Then you begin to wonder, why is it not working on your skin? Why is it not fading your dark spots? So you use it only 2 times a week. You don't have to mix plenty turmeric. A little will go a long way. Ingredient number 3, lemon. The third ingredient is lemon. Lemon is powerful because it contains vitamin C, which helps brighten the skin and lighten dark spots. But lemon can also irritate the skin if used the wrong way. I think lemon is very cheap. We get it almost everywhere, in the stores, in the market. We even have it most times at home. We use it to cook or to make drinks. Mix a few drops of lemon juice with honey. So you can mix it with a few drops of honey. That's lemon with a few drops of honey. Apply on the dark spots. Leave it for 10 minutes. Then you wash it off. Always use this at night and never forget sunscreen the next day. So this routine is best at night because you are not going out under the sun to expose your skin to the sun. So immediately after you finish using it, you wash it, and next day before stepping out, use sunscreen because lemon is very sensitive to the skin. So if you don't use sunscreen, your face will become more darker and you will not be seeing a good result. Important tip. Now let me tell you something very important. Natural remedies are powerful, but they require consistency and patience. You won't wake up tomorrow with perfect skin, but if you stay consistent, your skin will slowly start to improve. It's not only natural remedies. All remedies that you're using, chemical products or natural remedies, they all need consistency. You cannot apply a product today and you sleep and wake up and expect to see change. So they all need consistency. So you have to be consistent. So if you have dark spot, try these 3 simple kitchen ingredients: honey, turmeric, lemon. And remember, sometimes the best skincare solutions are already in your kitchen. You don't have to go and spend money buying skincare products that doesn't even work, that can even ruin or damage your skin. If this video helped you, comment clear skin in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.